Ladies and gentlemen, hello, good evening. I'm Shreya Dondial. It's 8 o'clock. You're watching the Urban Debate. The big update as we begin the show this evening. In the next hour or so, maybe even before that, we should know who Delhi's next chief minister is. MLAs of the BJP have already met at the party headquarters. The observers were present as well to pick the next chief minister. What we are waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, is an official announcement. Will it be Parvesh Verma, the man that the BJP has been batting for, given the fact that he's been the giant killer, defeated Arvind Kejriwal from his constituency, New Delhi? Or will the BJP succumb to the pressure of the RSS and appoint a woman chief minister? In that case, ladies and gentlemen, that name would be Rekha Gupta. As I said, a decision has been made. Sources seem to be suggesting that Rekha Gupta could be the next chief minister of Delhi. If that happens, ladies and gentlemen, she'll be only the third woman chief minister that Delhi has got, after Sushma Swaraj, Atishi as well, and and of course Sheila Dikshit. How could I forget Sheila Dikshit? The swearing in, ladies and gentlemen, is tomorrow afternoon. About 12:30 is when the swearing in is supposed to take place at the Ram Leela Maidan. But sources now seem to be suggesting that Rekha Gupta will be the chief minister of Delhi, and that Delhi is set for another woman chief minister. Why? A couple of reasons, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the recent wins of the BJP. If you look at the wins, if you look at the victory margins, they have been decided by women voters. So this is a way for the BJP to reciprocate and tell the women who've been voting for the party consistently, whether it's in Maharashtra or whether it is in Delhi, that we want to thank you. We care about what you're telling us. We are appointing a woman chief minister. Again, as I said, the RSS has been a bit keen that Delhi get a woman chief minister. So is it going to be Rekha Gupta, someone who's done her LLB, someone who is 50 years old, fairly low profile? Her name has actually not been doing the rounds. The name that was doing the rounds was Parvesh Verma, but it seems that Rekha Gupta could have trumped him. What we are expecting, maybe in the next few minutes, maybe in the next 1 hour, a formal announcement. But sources are saying that Rekha Gupta is set to be the next chief minister of Delhi. Let me go straight across to Kritika, who is joining us on the broadcast. Kritika, has the suspend ended? Will there be a formal press conference that will make the announcement? How will this play out in the next 10 minutes or say, hour or so?
Well, sure, definitely this is classic Bharatiya Janata Party playbook. We are hanging on to the very last minute for an official confirmation, but yes, so far sources do seem to suggest that Rekha Gupta, MLA candidate winner in fact from Shalimar Bagh, could be the next chief minister with Parvesh Verma as the deputy. But this is still awaited, an official confirmation is still awaited. But for her credit as well, once again showing you visuals, we are hearing Dhol Nagaras are there, Max yet again at the entrance of the Bharatiya Janata Party Delhi office here. We're just waiting for an official confirmation, because remember, Rekha Gupta also has been the president of DUSU back when she was associated with the ABVP. She has also risen through the ranks, has been a councillor as well. So earlier also we were hearing experience is something that will be factored in. Gender is also something that the Bharatiya Janata Party has to look into, especially because 4 MLAs from their candidates were in fact the ones who won in these elections. So that is also a consideration that is going to be of worthy notice. In fact, her being from a business background as well does serve another purpose as well. So her name is currently being suggested by the sources. We're also hearing that celebrations have sort of begun at her residence as well. But still, the official confirmation is awaited. We're yet to hear the final word. A delegation will also be headed by Virendra Sachdeva, accompanied by Chief Minister. We'll get to to know who exactly that face will be and whether or not we'll find out details of the Council of Ministers this night or not. Or could it be that it will be at the time of swearing in that those names will also be released. So even as we stand here at the Delhi BJP office, we also await a final announcement, final clarity on who exactly the Chief Minister candidate or the Chief Minister face for the next 5 years is going to be from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Over to you.
Okay. Give me a minute there, Kritika. I'm just coming back to you. But just to tell our viewers who Rekha Gupta is, because for people who live outside Delhi, possibly she's an unknown entity. She's someone who has actually had a pretty long political career. She's not a newbie. As you rightly said, she's currently serving as the General Secretary of the Delhi BJP. She's 50 years old. Previously has been the National Vice President of the BJP's Mahila Morcha. She won Shalimar Bagh and she won Shalimar Bagh by quite a margin there, Kritika, with 68,200 votes. So a victory was a big victory, a resounding victory as we are. She's a lawyer by profession. That is something we know. She began her journey in politics as the president of the Delhi University Students' Union from 1996 to 1997. She was the president of DUSU. She then, of course, transitioned into municipal politics, winning the Delhi councillor elections from Pritampura, and then securing a re-election in 2012. She has also, ladies and gentlemen, served as the mayor of the South Delhi Municipal Corporation, which means she has administrative credentials as well to go with it. The general speculation was that Parvesh Verma, the son of a former chief minister of Delhi, would be the one who would be in the Chief Minister's post once the announcement is made. It seems that the BJP has chosen to go with a woman. What essentially the BJP leadership has considered is Gupta's experience and the party's preference for a woman leader to lead the capital. Her tenure, of course, as a former mayor and an active role in the BJP in Delhi has made her a very strong contender for the role. And it seems now that a decision has been made. What about Parvesh Verma? The news on Parvesh Verma is that he could be serving as Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister. I'm coming back to you, Kritika. Just show us around what is happening at the BJP headquarters in Delhi and whether we are expecting an announcement to be made this evening as well, whether we are expecting all BJP MLAs to go to the LG tonight as well. Do we know anything about that at all?
Well, yes, Shreya, the delegation here from the BJP Delhi office will be heading towards the LG House right after the legislative meeting ends. And currently we're inside, in fact, the Delhi BJP office. Media has been called in. We've also, in the compounds of the Delhi BJP office, you'll be seeing new renovations have been done here. This whole thermocol sheet with the Bharatiya Janata Party logo, with the lotus is blooming there. And entire area right now, Shreya, is just buzzing with the anticipation of the final announcement for the next 5 years, the Chief Minister phase, whether it is going to be Rekha Gupta, is that final or not, is what we're also waiting to hear on. Because as you were rightly also saying, experience is something that we were hearing from very early on, is something that could be considered. And given the fact that Rekha Gupta has served in multiple roles, in fact, whether as a councillor or as the president of the DUSU while she was with ABVP, and other roles as well, she has been with the party, has been associated with the Bharatiya Janata Party for long, and this could be her time to also be in the limelight, considering this is also something that the RSS were talking about. Their demand will also to put in a woman Chief Minister face, and given how the representation of women in the Delhi Legislative Assembly is also going to be at almost an all-time low.